We started about 11. Clearly I got a little banged up in the process. We started at about 11. We took a small break, ended up finishing at almost 2. If it wouldn't have taken that break, it probably would have taken us about 2 hours. So I'm gonna show you where we're at. It's looking real interesting. Okay, so we have my weights, a storage cube, my bike that has dust on it because I have not ridden it in almost 7 years. So we're just gonna close that. And then boxes. These are 3 IKEA Billy bookshelves that I want to paint. There's the paint right there. I have my sit to stand desk. Only half of my dresser is here, so that's fine. Boxes. Bags. This is where my work desk is gonna go. Those are my 2 monitors for work. Like I said, I'm thinking about doing like maybe a small dining room table right here, but that's not my main focus right now. I'm gonna start with the kitchen. Once again, boxes friggin' everywhere. Boxes in the bathroom. And then here is my room at the moment. Since my dresser's not here, I can't put away my clothes yet, so those suitcases are just gonna chill. And I have a vanity coming on Sunday that I'm gonna have to put together so that I can like get my makeup together. I have, I think, 3 boxes of shoes, which I swear I do not remember having that many shoes. This is all bathroom stuff, clearly. And since I only have this, I'm gonna do a storage right there. I need to measure that and actually just order something off of Amazon today. So hopefully I can get here before the weekend is up. And then, I don't like this light color in here. I think I'm gonna change it out with like a more yellow bulb. It just looks so stark. Sewing table number 1. Sewing table number 2. Storage. This is probably gonna go up here with my mannequin. There's both my machines, extra fabric, and just more stuff generally. So, yeah. Okay, so starting with the kitchen, I have gotten some stuff unpacked. There are the boxes over there. One thing that I'm noticing is that all of the cabinets have the same height of shelving, literally all the way across on both the top and the bottom. So there's certain things, like for example my air fryer, that don't fit. So over here I have items that won't fit in the shelves. So right now it's coming together. Like I want to have this organized, but basically this whole section right here is going to be my pantry. Honestly, I don't know. I still have to figure it out. And then I couldn't decide if I wanted this to be my like cup and mug drawer, or if I wanted it to be like sauces and oils and things like that, since it's right next to the stove. This is going to be my plates and bowls and things like that, and probably cups down here. I could have sworn that I had the shelf liners to go right here, but I can't find them at all. So even though I'm putting all of this stuff up, I am gonna need to go to the store tomorrow and get shelf liners and redo it all, but I'm just trying to get some boxes unpacked. And right here, for right now, I have mugs and then bottles for like my blender and protein shakes. And then over on this side is coffee, teas, and then I think this bottom, or maybe I'll switch the two, is gonna be like medicine and stuff like that. I have no idea what to do with these down here. Over here is gonna be pots and pans. They're in boxes, so I need to wash them and then put them away. Over here is probably gonna be Tupperware. So yeah. And then as I'm going, I'm like just have containers and stuff to wash. I did find my towels so that I can dry things when it's time for them to be dried. So this doesn't go in here, that goes in my room. This is all of my wine and alcohol. Since they're too tall to fit in the cabinets, I am going to probably get like a little like wine holder thingamabob and maybe put it over, maybe not over there, because I think that's going to be like my little coffee area since I have coffee and tea right there. I don't know where the wine thing is going to go. I have no idea, but that is it. And there's still just a heck of boxes over there.
Hey guys, so it's the next day. It's Saturday the 15th. This is breakfast because I don't have any of my crap yet. Today's gonna be a shopping day. So dish towels, soap, mats, dish rack, all of that. I did get my microwave set up, which is right here, which I will show you later. My couch is coming tomorrow. I have my vanity coming tomorrow. No update on the other half of my dresser, but that's totally fine. Yeah, keep you guys posted on what today's gonna look like. I'm hoping to get a lot of stuff unpacked. So yeah, keep you posted. Bye.
Updates. We've been out since 10. It is now about 12:30. I've gotten things that I did not need at all whatsoever. The only things that I've gotten that I actually needed were shelf liners, drying mats, and a tea kettle. Everything else, no. So we went to That's Cheap. We went to Goodwill. There's like this little furniture outlet store that we went to, and then this other store that I don't remember the name of. And so now hopefully my final stop will be Home Goods. That's just, I was trying to see if I can find stuff for like a little bit cheaper. Not to say that Home Goods is expensive, because it's not, but just, you know, getting all the necessities really adds up. So I'm thinking Home Goods is, like I said, hopefully going to be the last stop. I do have to get like toilet paper and paper towels, which they don't have there. So I may have to do like a Target pickup order or something. But I'm one of those people that after about an hour and a half to 2 hours, I'm tapped out. And it's been 2.5 hours and I'm very much feeling tapped out, and we haven't even gone to like the biggest store yet. So yeah, it's fine. Everything is fine. And I will show you guys all the stuff that I got when I get back home, whenever that will be. And then it's gonna be more unpacking.
So, I spent an alarming amount of money, and I don't think I'm done yet, but I'm gonna run through what I got with you guys super quickly. Went to That's Cheap, Home Goods, and Goodwill. Those were the three. So in no particular order, I got a paper towel holder. It's like a bronze color. We got 2 drying mats because I have loads of dishes to wash and I actually do not have a dishwasher. Sponge caddy for the sink. Got this wooden soap dispenser specifically for the bathroom. This one was freaking expensive though. It's Smart Sustainable Bamboo. It was freaking $13. The other ones were like $4. Got a pack of 2 oven mitts. Now I got a shower curtain from Amazon already. It's somewhere in one of these boxes, but I did need a liner. So I got this really cute like Zodiac liner. Pretty cute. I got some microfiber cloths for cleaning. And then I got 2 of these mason jar soap dispensers. One for dish soap and then one for hand soap in the kitchen. These were only $4. So all that stuff was from Home Goods. I got this really big wooden cutting board. I love wooden cutting boards. I wanted like a really nice one, but those ones were $100 and no one has the money for that right now. So I got this one instead. This one was $25. And then for the times that I don't feel like washing this big old thing when I'm cutting like an apple, I got this, which I feel like this could kind of serve as a decor piece as well. At first I thought it was in the shape of a state, but it's not. So yeah, those two from Home Goods. Some silverware that needs to be washed. Just, you know, regular silverware. I didn't really have a preference. I'm definitely more of a gold type of person over silver, but I don't really like the look of gold silverware, so, and it's called silverware. And then bamboo tray, an extendable one. I didn't measure my drawers before I left this morning. I totally meant to, but I completely forgot. But I mean, this is small enough. This is definitely small enough to fit in there, and then I can extend it. So I'm not too worried about that. Got this wine rack holder for all of my wine bottles, also from Home Goods. And then I don't have a toilet paper holder, so I got this one from Home Goods. So the rolls go in here, and then you also have the holder. Got some dish towels. We have yellow, and then gray and white, and I think I'm probably going to use the white ones to hang in the bathroom as like hand drying towels. I don't really use white towels, but it came in a 4-pack, so I figured why not. I don't have an ice maker, so I did get these 2 little ice cube trays, and I think what I'm going to do is I'm just going to have like a container in my freezer that holds ice cubes, so it's not like an ice cube maker, but I like having an abundance of ice cubes. So shower curtain hooks. They are like a bronze sort of color. Clips for sandwich bags, a grater / zester, a can opener, potato peeler, some more sponges, and then my bathroom trash can. Okay, so those were all Home Goods, and then from That's Cheap, I picked up just a few things. I got more drying mats, and then I got this Target Threshold Throw. It is 50 by 60 inches, so not quite a full, and it's like this crocheted, like kind of mustard gold color. It was 10 bucks. My couch gets here tomorrow. So I just figured why not. I'm not really looking for decor pieces yet, but I couldn't pass that up. And then I was debating between getting a regular stovetop kettle or an electric kettle, but then I saw this, and it's super cute. So I got this one instead. Oh yeah, I forgot to mention this. This is also from Home Goods. It just says utensils. Goodwill was the one store where I bought things that I didn't need at all whatsoever. The only things that I needed that I bought from Goodwill were shelf liners. I didn't know how many to get, so I got 6 of these. I'm not even sure 6 is enough because I also have to do my drawers, so I'm probably gonna have to go get some more of these tomorrow. So first I had wanted to get a bowl for like my fruit or my, honestly probably for like my onions and garlic, so I got this bowl. It's in like okay-ish condition. It's definitely like has some scratches and stuff, but I do not care. I like my stuff to kind of have that worn look. So this was $3.49, decent sized bowl. And then whenever I get an entry table, I want to have something to put, maybe not my keys, because I feel like that's like rule number 1 for burglars, like don't put your keys right next to the front door. But I got this bowl. Okay, then I got this. Now, I'm not 100% sure what this is meant for. I've seen it before. I feel like it's used in like maybe Mexican cooking, but I could be completely wrong. I should ask my best friend. But it was super cute, and it was like $2, and it's freaking cute. I don't know what the heck I'm gonna use it for, but it's cute. And then I found this little vase, which I think is adorable. $4. I don't have anything to put in it right now, but. And then it's honestly so crazy that I found something like this, because I definitely needed something different, but I hadn't thought about it. But it's this, it's a lidded box. So here it is in all of its glory. Just for you to put like, I'm probably gonna use it for my jewelry, for my rings. and maybe some earrings, but I just, like, it's perfect. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. And this was $4.49 at Goodwill. And then this is so cute. It's so cute. Like, I can imagine serving a pitcher of lemonade or margaritas to my friends on a hot summer day with this. So yes, after I went to Home Goods, I was done. I was done for the day. I did order some more stuff off of Amazon. I ordered a bathroom storage, kind of like bamboo bookcase thing. I ordered a steam mop. I got a bath mat. I got, what else? I got a broom from a different Target along with toilet paper, paper towels, and I have my shower rod coming. I also have a trash can coming from Walmart on Monday. I'm so tired, and it is only, I don't even know what time it is. I think it's like 5:30, maybe 6 o'clock. I need some coffee. I will probably check in with you guys later, most likely on my phone, just because I don't have anything to put my camera on right now. It's on some boxes and a suitcase. I got most of the stuff that I needed, so we are just going to roll with that, and we're going to keep it pushing. I'm gonna turn on some music, put on my speaker, and just try to bang some of this stuff out. So I will talk to y'all later. Okay, so unpacked all of my pots and pans, my new ones that I just got. I'm going to wash those, dry those, put those away, and then I'll see if I can start on my plates too. I just kind of want to get all the boxes done, and then maybe once I have everything in, then I'll go in and do the shelf liners. Yeah, and I also have some plastic containers that I need to wash that are in one of these Amazon boxes. So yeah, I will check back in with y'all later.
She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. She's a Mona Lisa.